Remember PR where P means perpetuity and R is redemption. So recall, P ram BM where P means perpetuity is the subject and case law is ram BM means to ram first ram Baran and then ram Mohit, so it's ram Baran v. Ram Mohit, 1966. In this case, the Supreme Court decided that the rule of perpetuity does not apply to personal agreements, which are agreements that do not give anyone an interest in the property. Second case law is Red Goda 1958 and Sasi NK 1999. Red means redemption and Goda Shine Kalal means Gungada vs Shine Kalal, 1958. In this case, the agreement between the parties included a condition that took away the mortgager's right to redeem the mortgaged property after a certain time. The court ruled that if the mortgagor failed to redeem within 6 months, he would lose that right, and the mortgage would be treated as a sale to the mortgagee. This condition was seen as an unfair restriction on the mortgagor's right to redeem, making it invalid. And Sasi NK 1999 means Sampuran Singh v. Niranjan Kaur, 1999. In this case, the Supreme Court ruled that if there is no restriction mentioned in the mortgage deed, the mortgagor, the person who gave the property as security, has the right to redeem, get back, the mortgaged property from the very day the mortgage was made.
We'll never give up. We'll be watching. We'll be ready. Because it's the pursuit of truth that gives us our calling.
The fight for truth is on.
Come find me.